What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Lirili, Larila from Italian Brainrot. I'm going to begin at the top right side of our page and draw a circle for the eye. Let's start from the very top, go all the way around, and then back up. Now I'm drawing the eyelid. From the left side, add a curve going across. Along the top, add a small half circle for a highlight. And then we're going to fill the bottom of the eye in black. Now over on the left side, we're going to draw the front edge of the ear. Let's start from the top. We're going to come down and then across and then bend that back towards the bottom of the ear. Now I want to add a wave going up towards the top. So we're going to start by going out towards the left, bend this up, out, and then back out. Let's curve the top of the ear. We're going to go up and then bend that down. Now before we draw the profile edge of the trunk, let's move down and draw on the tusk. We're going to start down here, bend this down, and then out. Now I want to taper the top so it gets wider as you come up towards the eye and then bend that back out. Let's step down and add a fold, going around and then in. Now we're going to go up to the top, just in behind the ear, draw the forehead going up. Now I'm going to bend this down across the front. Bend this out, and come in behind that tusk along the tip, come down towards the bottom, and curl it back out. Let's draw the end of the trunk, going out and then in, add another curve. Now draw the bottom of the trunk, I'm going to taper this so it gets wider as you go up underneath the tusk. Over on the right side, we're going to draw the back tusk coming out and then in behind. Now I'm going to add some texture across the edge of the trunk. We're going to start up here with a curve going in towards the eye. Step up, draw a short one, and move down and continue to add a few lines and wrinkles. Now with the head in place, let's move down and draw the front of the body. We're going to start underneath the trunk, come down, and then out towards the shoe. Now from here, draw that strap. We're going to go across and then bring that down. Let's go back up to the ankle, curve the front of the shoe, going out and then down. Then we're going to add a curve, going all the way across the sole, come in towards that line, and then back out towards the back. Now we're going to draw the back of the body. We'll start by coming in, bend this back out, around at the body, and just pull this in behind the ear. From the bottom of the strap, we'll draw the back side of the leg. We're going to go up, bend this across, and then bend this back in behind the ear. Now we're going to go to the back corner, draw the bottom of the foot, coming down and then up, bend this up and back in behind. Now we're going to close off the back with a small curve, and then we'll add the toes across the bottom. We're going to step over, draw a half circle going up and then down. Move over and draw that 2 more times. From the edge of the shoe, draw 2 straight lines coming down of equal length. And we'll connect the ends with that same curve we have on top, coming down and then across. Let's split this in half with another curve in the middle. Now I want to add those 2 straps across the top of the foot. Right up here, we're going to step in, we're going to follow that same curve going across, and then down, around at the bottom, and we'll follow that same curve going back up towards the outside. And I want to step over, draw another curve coming all the way down towards the bottom. Let's add 2 buckles along the top, draw 2 straight angled lines going across, and I want to continue this down towards that bottom strap. Let's trace those buckles along the inside. On the bottom of each buckle, we're going to draw the bottom of the strap. So we're going to come around, just tuck that in. Now in behind the strap, we're going to draw the edge of the foot. We're going to start up here, bend this down, and then across. I'm going to add those same toes, starting from the outside, going up and then down. Leave a gap, draw another one, and then tuck the third one in underneath. Now inside the body and legs, we're going to add those stripes. Let's start in the center of the back side. So we're going to start in behind the ear. Just going to follow those curves right in the middle, and then bring that down towards the toes. Let's do the same thing across that front section, starting underneath the ear, right in the middle, coming down, and then in behind the strap. Now we're going to go in between, going out and then down. And I want to separate each of those sections again. We're going to start from the very top, right in the middle, go in between those two curves, and all the way down towards the bottom. Now I'm just going to work our way over towards the right side. And then in between the straps. Now I'm going to surround the outside of the body with those little needles, starting from the bottom with these short little lines that come out, working our way up towards the top. And also along the right side. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how to draw Lirili, Larila. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.